we're back, I'm going to show you how to take off the front bumper from this VW T5. So let's get into it. This is most of the tools you're going to need: T30, Torx, T25, a couple of trim tools, T25 and a little ratchet, and then a 10mm for the bolts. So firstly, what we're going to do is use a little trim tool, take out these clips, and then it will unclip from around there as well on the grill. Grill will release. So these are what the clips look like. Easy as that, the grill is off. That then releases some T30 bolts, which will be T30, which will then release them. But we'll leave them on for now, just so it holds the bumper in place while we release all the rest. Next, we're going to need a plastic trim tool to pop off the covers. And that will show a couple more T25 screws as well, which we'll go ahead and do now. That, another cover off. And that will show you, get a torch, that will show you a T25 up in that top corner there. Focus. Which you'll need to take out. And there's also, I don't know whether you can see, in the back there is also another T20 Torx in the back. Two 25s out. This one up in the corner, T25, is the one you're going to want to release the bumper. And then again, in here behind the grille, there, in the back there, behind the grille, in the top hole, is the one that we'll get rid of. Both T25s out now. Now you're going to want a T25 on a little ratchet for in the the wheel arch to remove the arch line, and there's 1, 2, and that will release, and then there'll be 1 up in there, and then there'll be 2 10mm bolts which are there and there. Let's get to it. Once you've done the 2 T25s in the arch there is also on the bottom, there is 1 here where my Torx bit is in. There's 1, 2 and 3 to release the bottom of the inner arch away from the bumper, ready for when you take it off. Go ahead, do them now, and then get onto the underside of the front bumper. Make these a lot quicker. I've got a little impact gun just to take out these T25s. The awkward with one hand. Get them done. Make life a little bit easier. That will then release the inner arch from the bottom of the bumper. Then whilst we're under there, we've just got, you can see here, there's 1 there, 2 and 3, 4 T30s for the underside of the bumper. Once you've got all them other bolts out, that will allow this to loosen up, and then show you in the bottom here there is 1 T25 there, and we're going to just turn the wheel inwards to make it a lot easier access for inside the arch. Right, with that wheel being turned, it gives us a bit more access in here to show you the T25, which is here, goes up from the bottom, and also in there is 2 10mm bolts, which that will release the whole corner of the bumper. Then we'll be getting somewhere. Let's go ahead and get that done now. For them 2 bolts, make sure you have a deep socket to go over the threads. With these 2 bolts, these 2 10mm nuts taken off from there and there, as you can see then, it's released the whole lot. So now we'll just go ahead, do the other side exactly the same, and then we've just got 2 T30s there and there. Should release the whole front bumper. So let's see how we go. With all the bolts out, we've just got the last 2 T30 Torx. It should be the last 2 holding that on. So we'll get that one out. One end. should be the last one now. And there we go. It is off. We've just got wire and loom down this side. So you just use a little screwdriver in there, pop that plug off, and then chase that round, unclipping the wire, and then we can leave the wire laying across the top of the crash bar, which we'll do now. Bit we've got is a little air sensor here, which we should be able to just slide off the end, which you can slide it off on that metal clip. That way we can just lay this wire loom over top of there. And there we have it, T5.1 front bumper off the van. Cheers for watching, see you in the next one.
Down, up, straight,